ukuthi yini price yaleyo currency pair oyi-choose-ile. So ngoba sise-South Africa lesi-use ini USD ZAR. So ngi-explain-ile i-currency pair kule video la ngi-explain khona i-forex ukuthi yini i-forex. So ngi-explain-ile ukuthi yini i-currency pair. So $1 bese lana i-quoted. So i-quoted currency iZAR ngisho. So yiyo le ezobe ivela la kuma-y-axis wakho. So let's say kuzoba yi-17.00, 17 rand point maybe 25 cents, 17 rand point 50 cents, kanjalo kanjalo until, yabo. Then isikhathi njengoba bengisho ukuthi sihamba according to i-chart lelo oli-choose-ile, i-time frame lo oyi-choose-ile. Let's say u-choose i-1 hour, i-1 hour. So maybe kuzoba ubani u-9:00 bese kuba u-10:00, 11:00, 12:00. So 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock bese kuba u-12 o'clock. Now, let's say 17.75. Let's say la